Hey, what's up guys? Look who's back hiking. Right here we in SEVENTUBS Nature Park. We're about to check this park out again. Well, I'm about to check it out for the second time. It's just first time here. So let's go check it out. We got Coco. And today, I'm gonna be wearing this dinosaur mask, walking around the trails. So let's see how cool this trail is gonna be, walking around with this mask. Let's go check it out. I recorded with my phone today. I got the waterproof case. I left my camera at home. But we're gonna have a good time here and let's go have some fun walking around with this mask. Y'all see it. Let's put it on. It's the map to this place. It ain't really too big. It's only a 1.8 mile trail, I think it was, from last time we came here and checked it out. Had a lot of cool waterfalls here. Let's go check it out. Let's go show y'all again what this place look like and show them. And right here we coming up to our first bridge. Turn the camera around, show y'all guys what it looks like. Cool little waterfall down there. People down there swimming, and we're gonna make our way down there. So start working our way around here. Working our way down here. Go check out this little tree house that's down here. We checked out last time. Just be careful. Hopefully we don't fall. This thing is freezing. This thing is ice cold. This weather right here is super freezing. I don't think I'm gonna be able to jump in here. But it's a cool view, guys. I will show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna turn it around. Give you guys a nice little close-up from this waterfall here. Guys done checking it out down there. Now we're gonna finish walking around this park and check out some more things out here. There's a lot more waterfalls and little holes that you can swim in, so let's go check them out. Nice little bridge right here. Tunnel just up here though. All the way back here, straight back. Here, you gotta go straight down here. You gotta be very careful. It ain't like I'm scared because I am a dinosaur. Here goes the tunnel just over here. This is the tunnel. start making our way up to the top now. We're gonna go check out everything that's up there. Supposed to be some train tracks up there, so we're gonna go check that out before we turn back around. And we gotta go back the same way we came from to finish off with the rest of this trail. So let's continue on. Let's keep making our way up, and let's finish checking this cool place out. It's my second time here. I don't know if y'all guys new to my channel, but if y'all new to my channel, this is your first time hopefully checking this video out, and I hope y'all enjoying it. I got a lot of cool adventures coming, so make sure y'all guys go hit that little notification bell, and we're gonna keep these things going. So hope y'all guys enjoy watching, and I'm gonna find my way up there to the top, and hopefully show y'all guys what it looks like up there. Coco leading the way right now, like she know where she going. This her first time, but she act like she been here before. Cool little spot up here to chill at. It's a little I wouldn't call this like a cave. I call this more like a little shelter. It's got this little ceiling you can hide from the rain. Who's down there? That's the cave. Down there, that tunnel. That's the mountain on top. That keeps running straight down. That goes into that little swimming hole we was in a few minutes ago. But it's a cool little spot right here. Just to chill at, eat some lunch. But we're gonna keep exploring. It's still a little early for some lunch, but we're gonna keep exploring continue on seeing what we can see here. Hopefully run into some new things here that I didn't see from the last time I was here. Let's continue on going straight up here. It's a little steep hill. And this right here will lead you to the train tracks up above here. Hey guys, remember this video from the last time? We went up the same way right here. That's when we got lost at the first video. We got this wire right here you can hold on, I guess, to pull yourself up since it's steep. See, it's very steep though. Get over here. Coco. Get your butt over here. Before you get ran over by a train. There's the train tracks here, guys. Nice little tracks right here. It's a perfect spot for a nice little photo shoot. I'm gonna take a nice little picture of myself here. There's a live train, so we gotta be very careful here. This is on top of that that little bridge that we was underneath, that little tunnel. Last time I went straight down this little path. I kept continuing on, thought I was on the right trail, but it was the wrong way. It leads to somewhere else. Don't know where it leads to, but the trail does continue through there. But you guys want to explore, you're here for a long time. I can keep going through there and explore. It's always good to explore and see different things, but it's a cool little train right here. Train tracks, I mean. I'm gonna take a nice little photo here and start making my way back down and get back to the trails. There's another little path that go over there. I'm not too sure where that goes to, but we just came from down there. And let me take this picture and start making our way back out. Just walking back down. It's the same way we came up. It's a little dangerous going down because it's very steep. I guess that's why they put this wire here, so I'm just gonna grab on. Hold on. Hopefully not to slide down, because we will get very muddy. We almost at the bottom. Hey, what's up, man?
What's good, man? Keep going, by the way.
Oh, almost split. Come on. How y'all doing? Just walking up in the trails. It's Beautiful day out here. Just enjoying it. Hey, how you doing?
What's up?
Oh, you're super hot wearing this mask. Whew. Man, fun though. Having a good time out here. It's a nice day for a nice little hike. We're about to jump in this water down here again. We'll fully jump in with our whole body because now I'm feeling sweating. That's where we was at down there. When we was getting our feet wet. We're gonna see if we can find another nice spot we could jump in. So we can continue on walking. There's a lot more here, so maybe we'll check them out. There's actually a few more that's down here too, but we gotta kind of like climb down here. See all the way down there. There's another one. There's another swimming spot down there, see it? That one is deep though. And it's like very slippery. Creek just keeps going straight down. This is the same trail that we came in at. We're just backtracking right now. It's down there. And you can jump in, but those are very dangerous to get down. Very slippery. So we're gonna try to find another little safer spot to go. There's a little trail down here that takes you down there. Let's see if we can look from the top of it. So let's try to go down there and check it out from the top. It's a trail from up here that shows you from the top view of it. Just over here. That thing is deep. That thing right there probably like 10 feet, that hole. Little bridge we came from. We went this way. Now we're gonna go the right way. To the right. Go check out what's over here. There's more people down there swimming. Some more trails over here, so we're gonna go over here and see if we can find a nice little swimming spot over here. We're just walking down. Going down to the bottom, trying to find a nice little swimming spot so we can get wet and enjoy ourselves. You already know the dinosaur dehydrated. You see my tongue? It's dry. We're here at the bottom. Still following this creek right here. We are now in the water.
Knees deep.
Knees deep, but it's gonna start getting deep. Oh, it's cold. This thing is super cool. Ah! It's cold. Ah! Ah! I can't. I froze already. This thing is crazy. This thing is freezing. Ugh. It's cold. Oh, I can't. So many rocks. Can't see with this dinosaur helmet mask on. Can't hold his mask. I can't see. Yeah.
I got it.
Oh, there's some wet rocks here. Whew. waiting on me?
Yes, Dinosaur, we're waiting on you.
I think I caught me a prey. She just don't know it.
You ain't got no meat.
She leading us through the trail, so we need her. Sorry, she coming up to this bridge though, right here. He's missing a couple woods to cross it, so we gotta be careful. Hopefully none of them break on us. Let me walk right here on the edge of it. It's more safer. It's more thicker the wood. The trail keep going up there, and Coco already knows the way. First hole we first started at, and we're gonna hopefully get ourselves in there. So let's keep going. Gotta go down this little trail down here. And just gonna jump in. This water is super cool. And she said she's gonna jump in, so let's see. We're about to jump it. Yeah, jump. You gotta wait. If you're gonna do it, wait. Yeah. That sound cool. There you jump.
Sorry, remember what?
So she jumped it, and we just right here knee high. You know I can't do that, my back conditions, but we did enjoy this water. How was that jump?
It sounds good.
That water's super cold. I know she's cold. Yeah, that thing is like an ice cold water. It's a beautiful view behind me.
I was actually so scared. I was sweating, so that water actually felt good.
Coco somewhere tied up to the tree, trying not to escape. This is the same path that we walked on already 2 times. This is our 3rd time walking this path right here. It's gonna lead us right back to that bridge that we crossed in the beginning. This time we're gonna cross back over to the other side. And that's gonna take us to the parking lot where we parked at. So this is the same bridge we came in at. And there's some more people down there swimming. And the parking lot just up here, just straight of us. There's another trail that's right here. It's gonna lead to the same spot that we were just at. Just up above at the top of it. And the parking lot just up here. Gonna walk up here and wrap this video up. A few little tables up here, a couple picnic tables. And just a few feet away is our parking lot with our car. So, hey guys, thanks for watching. If you guys new to my channel, I want to say guys, thanks for joining us. It was a cool little hike here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was hiking as a dinosaur today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Trying to bring some cool adventures for you guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell down below. Make sure you guys hit that like button down below if y'all like this video. And make sure you guys subscribe.